Hi. In this presentation, I will summarize the relative strengths of candidate testing, interview, and assessment center as three of the selection methods. Candidate testing has some strengths in itself. One of them is objectivity, that you can compare the results in a more objective way between the candidates as a standardized measurement. The predictive validity mostly relevant for cognitive ability and work sample tests. So with a well-designed test, you can have a high accuracy to predict the future performance of the candidates in the job. Efficiency and cost effectiveness is related with the easiness and also the lower cost of executing the same test for multiple candidates simultaneously. And also, when there is a test setup prepared, the customization of this is also rather easier and with lower cost for different jobs or different skills or competences in the future. And based on the objectivity of the results, there is also a conclusion which with reduced biases or minimized biases. And also, it offers quite valuable feedback for the development of the candidate for the future. In the interview, one of the strengths is that you are able to do in-depth assessments based on the answers of the candidates. You can go deeper to explore more for some of them. And it's also flexible, so simultaneously based on the answer or based on the specific experience of the candidate, you can go for more personalized or customized assessment or questions each time. And one of the good thing is that it's also interactive and also with the engagement of the candidate. So you can also observe different skills like communication and interpersonal abilities in real time during an interview. But also candidate can ask questions, and this may also help to increase their interest in the job or in the company as well. And if there is a need, you have the chance to clarify and elaborate further some of the answers of the candidate or some of the specific experiences projects. And also, as it is based on communication, direct communication, you can also assess most of the soft skills during this interview phase. And in assessment centers, the advantage is to have a holistic evaluation because you are able to do multidimensional type of test with different studies, so you can evaluate, you can assess different competences and skills at the same time. And again, with standardized evaluation criteria and also using multiple assessors, you can increase the fairness and objectivity level of the tool. And as with different studies or exercises, you can also simulate a real job environment, which then makes it easier to increase the predictive validity by seeing how candidates perform in a similar real case. Similar to the candidate testing, these assessment centers also provide developmental feedback for candidates on their weaknesses or development areas. And also in different studies like group work and case studies, you can also assess the teamwork capability, the communication and collaboration skills of the candidate as well.